Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today I want to show you the new product I picked up. RHINOUSA's 3-inch 30-foot toe strap. If you want to see more products like this, more off-road products, how-to reviews, and how-to install videos, hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's get this thing opened up and take a look at it. Comes in a box, there's a carrying handle, but it also comes with this nylon bag with drawstring, so you can keep your strap organized and clean. Or if you get the strap dirty, throw it in the bag so it doesn't get your vehicle dirty. This thing is a full 3 inches wide, 30 feet long. Very heavy duty, large hoops on the ends, sewn with covers to keep from any kind of stretching, breaking, anywhere where the two webs are wrapped around and run around. Comes with protective covering for around wherever you put it on the hook or on a D-ring. Very good quality material, obviously stamped with their stuff on, their logo. Says it is 3-inch recovery strap. SKU number RN032030, 31,518 brake strength, 10,663 pounds of working load. It is designed and engineered in the USA, but I do believe it is actually manufactured in China. I think someone commented on Amazon that it was made in China, but is designed and engineered by a USA company. You'll get to see this hopefully in some video in the future where we do some four-wheeling and get to pull somebody out. I ran into a situation where my dad got stuck up in the mountains in the snow, slid over in an embankment. We had to D-ring two straps together to a tree, and then use the D-ring on the end of the straps to run at a 90-degree angle to him to pull him back up an embankment onto the road using the kinetic energy rope, run through the D-ring. I had to run two straps together because I didn't have a strap this long, and one of the straps were not rated for that kind of toe strength, and it started to break. So this is my kinetic energy rope. It's a 1-inch rope, measuring 30 feet long. It is a brake strength of 31,500 pounds. Remember to always use proper equipment on the ends, such as D-rings. Something enclosed so that it doesn't slip off is usually the best thing to use. Do not use the ball of a hitch. But this is the result. Obviously a bunch of leaves stuck in it from the woods. But this is the result of a toe strap that has reached beyond its limits. This is what happens when you tug on a toe strap that isn't rated to be tugged on. And it just started fraying the entire strap, just started coming apart. Eventually becoming very dangerous. It only has half of the strap still intact. So if you're going to need to tug a vehicle, your vehicle's going to get stuck, get a kinetic energy rope for tugging. These are only for pulling. A strap is only for pulling, not tugging. This one was made by Cargo Buckle. Let's see if I'm finding a rating on it that's readable. This one was rated for load capacity of 10,000 pounds, working load of 3,300 pounds. Obviously, when you look at the strap, it exceeded its limitations. So if you're just pulling somebody up a trail, this is fine. If you gotta pull somebody heavy or any kind of extreme use, get something that's rated for what you're gonna be doing. The American flag here behind me is a Made in the USA flag by Grace Alley, and you can find their flags at gracealley.com. You can find the Rhino USA straps and other products on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below for a couple of their products. I did not receive this for free. I am not sponsored by Rhino USA. I'm just telling you about what seems to be, until I use it, a good, high quality product at a decent, reasonable price. Just trying to save all of you out there some money. As always, like, subscribe. Don't forget that bell if you're notified of new videos. God bless.